Hello viewers, welcome to Ellocart application. Have a short tour of Ellocart and its features. Initially you need to install the Ellocart application which is available on Play Store and App Store. To register into the Ellocart application, you need to give your mobile number. You'll get an OTP for verification. After submitting the OTP, you'll get the access to logged into Ellocart application. This is the Ellocart application. The first step you have to do is give your location. After giving your location, you'll get access to see all the stores which is available in and around your location. Now shop the products which you like to buy. Here you will get various products like food, groceries, meat, textiles and everything. After adding your favorite products to the cart, now you can do the payment through multiple payment options. Comparing to many other applications, you will save a lot of money and time in the Ellocart application. Once payment is done, your order will be booked. Here you can track your order through the application, whether it is confirmed or cancelled or assigned to delivery boy and in how much time you will get the order. Every clear information you will get here. With just single click, shop everything you want and get everything you want at your doorsteps. Thank you for watching Ellocart application.